19. When was the last time you smoked any weed?
I don't smoke.
I don't know if that was the answer to the question I asked. And I don't feel like it was truthful.
All right. I mean, I smoke like a pen, but I don't have.
There we go. Okay, see, so.
No, you're right. I should not.
So when you're like, let me think of an answer.
I know.
Because I get lied to for a living, I immediately knew that you were being knowingly untruthful. When was the last time you smoked?
2.5 hours ago.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna give that to you there. What's the percentage of your vape?
It's like super low, like. I think it's like 65. It's like percent.
65%
no, but
is not
like,
super low.
No, but it's like in a cart. Like I hardly smoke. Like,
okay. But you smoked just a little while ago.
Just like 2.5 hours ago.
Okay.
All
right.
Like I don't feel nothing.
Okay.
I'm a little nervous right now because.
No, I get it, man. Cops are scary, man.
Yeah.
They're scary. Hang tight for me. Don't go anywhere.
Yeah.
Thanks. Once 30 seconds goes by, I want you to bring your head forward, open up your eyes, and say stop.
All right, ready?
Okay. And begin. Okay. And how long was that?
30 seconds.
30 seconds? Okay. When I tell you to, you're going to take your first step. 1, 2, 3. You're going to go all the way to 9. Once you reach your 9th step, once you plant your lead foot, take a set of small steps like this, and take your 9 steps back. 1, 2, 3, just like that, okay? So you see where you're walking, keep your eyes down at your feet. Count your steps out loud so I can keep up with you. Just the way your arms are now, just comfortably, keep them down at your side. And then once you take the first step, don't stop until you've gone down, turn, and come back. Yep, that's it, yep. Exactly what I told you to do. That's okay. That's okay.
So right, 3 steps.
Nope.
I'm sorry, dude.
Was there any part of that you didn't? Because I asked if you understood.
Just think about all the bad possibilities right now.
Okay. Well, that's what happens when you do illegal things, man. We do illegal things.
Well, it's not illegal because it's weed. It's not illegal.
Okay. How old are you?
19.
How old can you be to smoke marijuana without a medical marijuana card?
You're right, 21.
Right. So if you're gonna stand on the mountain of right and say, hey man, what I did is legal, then that's okay. So you can sit on your couch, smoke weed, 21 and over, absolutely legal. What's not legal is to be under the age of 21 and to be driving under the influence of marijuana and have it impair your ability to drive. I'll tell you when to stop. Okay?
To 1003, right?
I'll be clear.
Nope.
Here.
At no time that So what I told you, you could stop. What I told you was, remember, count 1001, 1002, 1003 until I tell you to stop. So at no point during any of that did you do anything.
Well, I counted to 1003 and I stopped. I'm not sure if you wanted you to tell me to begin or not. Sorry, hold on.
That's okay. Do me a favor. So I want you to do right now. Pretend it's right in your back, just like this.
No,
Hey, listen to me. Oh, you drove here?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Oh. Does anyone know that you can't smoke and drive?
Yeah, I smoked way earlier though.
How old are you?
I'm 19.
Okay. What's way earlier to you?
Way earlier around lunchtime. So, what?
Your generation is doomed. You need to call someone here to get his vehicle that has not smoked today. Okay. Find someone, if there's anyone in Casa Grande that hasn't smoked weed today, find them and have them come here, okay? Don't drive.
Understood.
Is that fair?
Understood.
Okay, and then he'll call you, he has your number?
Yes.
He'll call you in a little bit. Thanks, I appreciate it. Tell your friends that you can't smoke weed and drive. Like, smoke weed, sit on your couch with the medical marijuana card if you're under the age of 21. Sit on your couch, like, bake yourself pizza, bake yourself, whatever. don't drive. St. Patrick's Day, obviously traditionally a drinking holiday. But I think people smoke weed all day, every day. I don't think that they care. It's 317, it's not 420, no one cares. I think people just smoke marijuana all day, every day, and then drive around. It is far more drug-related impairment than there is alcohol-related impairment. And even today being St. Patrick's Day, no one's been arrested for DUI alcohol, but every single person's had impairment due to drugs. Wide turn, and there he goes. And he's tailgating again. I'll tell you what he's going to do. He's going to go into the third lane and pass on the right. Here he comes. He's going to have the open road here too, because he's going to over-accelerate everyone. Here it is. Look at this. 65, 70, 74, 82, 87, 91. Hi.
Sorry, I'm so...
Nope, that's okay. So I'm Deputy Sloup. I work for the Pinal County Sheriff's Office. You're under arrest for criminal speed and you're not free to go. Do you understand that? I want you to understand the gravity of the situation. Do you understand that? There is absolutely nothing about that I care about. Do you understand that you're not free to go and that you committed a criminal offense today? Okay, let me see your driver's license. So your top speed there was 91 miles an hour.
I'm sorry, I was supposed to be at work at 2:30. I'm so...
Poor time management does not allow you to break every single traffic motor vehicle law the state of Arizona has. You call your work, let them know that you're going to be late because you're going to get a bunch of tickets, and I'll be back with you. You're driving, you were so aggressive back on Bella Vista that he started filming you then because you were riding that truck so bad. So I have all of your driving behavior from before you turned off of Bella Vista all the way till right now, all of that in sequence on high definition video because you were that bad. Your first citation is criminal in nature for aggressive driving. Your second one is for exceeding 85 miles per hour on any roadway in the state. You have a mandatory court appearance. By signing this, the first three words says without admitting guilt. So you're not saying that you did anything wrong. All you're saying is that you promised to appear and that I don't need to take you into jail and book you so you'll voluntarily go see a judge. Your speed's a criminal amount of speed, but we haven't had any previous contacts with you as of the Pinal County Sheriff's Office. And also, you admitted you were speeding, you know you're speeding, so what I did was I didn't cite you criminally. 74 meets the threshold for criminal speed, okay? So I have the discretion to issue you a criminal citation for excessive speed for being more than 20 miles an hour over the posted speed limit in either a business or residential zone. I did not cite you with that. Did you see the flashing yellow sign that said, too fast, slow down? No, what was flashing on the right-hand side of the road, because the posted speed limit here is 25, your speed is 50. So you're double the speed limit. You're in the realm of criminal speed. Your citation is a criminal speed citation because going double the speed limit's bad. So, Pioneer Justice Court is the court. See your driver's license, please.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Behind me. Sorry about that.
That's why I drive it on my car, is specifically so you don't see me behind you. All right, I'm Deputy Sloup. I work for the Pinal County Sheriff's Office Traffic Unit. Any idea why I might have stopped you?
I was just told by him I was going over a little speed limit.
A little over the speed limit.
Sorry about that.
You know what the posted speed limit is here?
45.
45. You know how fast you were going?
I honestly thought I was going 50. We were talking, and I'm really sorry about that.
You are in the valley of wrong if you think you were going 50. Your top speed was 72. So in running a check of the driver that thought he was driving 50 instead of 72, he comes up as having been stopped at just a little bit after midnight this morning on today's date, and then not even 11 hours later, he is stopped again at a criminal amount of speed. So he is going to get that criminal ticket because he's obviously a slow learner. What you didn't tell me is that less than 11 hours ago, you were also stopped by a Pinal County Sheriff's Office deputy, great deputy, Deputy Yeoman, who stopped and contacted you. Is that correct?
Yeah, you sent me down there.
Okay. So what'd you get pulled over for there?
Because I was in a rush last night.
So you were speeding last night?
I was only going like 48.
Okay, but you were speeding last night, and you were given a verbal warning for speed, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and now today, you're speeding again.
I'm really sorry.
Okay, I wanted to make sure that I appreciate that, thank you, sir. I wanted to make sure that I was tracking, because
You're right.
a deputy used the discretion that the sheriff gives us and gave you a warning, and that didn't change your behavior. So now, this is going to be something more serious to get the point across that if you're going to come down here to Santan Valley, where the Pinal County Sheriff's Office works, then you're going to slow down, or we're going to take you to jail. You're being cited with a criminal offense for excessive speed because you're in excess of 20 miles an hour over the posted speed limit. Now, obviously, this is a residential zone since people have their driveways right out on the Schneff Road. You have a mandatory court appearance. Warnings don't work. Warnings work only for the very short duration within like a single-digit number of minutes after the warning is issued, and then it's right back to whatever the initial activity was. And this is a prime example of that.